Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dynamite on the piano. We will start by identifying the core chords that form the foundation of the song. You will learn the simple shapes for C, G, a minor, and F. Mastering these four chords and their transitions is your first crucial step to playing this energetic tune. Focus on clean changes between each chord, ensuring a smooth flow. Now, let's focus on your left hand, which provides the rhythmic foundation. For Dynamite, a simple bass line is most effective. You will play the root note of each chord, typically in a steady quarter note rhythm. This creates a solid groove and keeps the song moving forward. Practice maintaining a consistent tempo, ensuring your left hand is a reliable anchor. With your left hand established, it is time to introduce the right hand. Here, you will play the catchy melody, often using single notes or simple two-note harmonies. The key is to coordinate your right hand's melody with the chords played by your left hand. This synchronization brings the song to life. Feel free to experiment with different voicings to achieve a richer, more dynamic sound. To master Dynamite, consistent practice is essential. Start by playing at a very slow tempo, focusing on accuracy over speed. Practice each hand independently until they feel comfortable before attempting to combine them. Finally, listen to the original song often. This helps you internalize the rhythm, feel, and overall timing, making your performance more authentic and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.